Are you building an iOS-style app that needs to present the user with a list of options for what to do next? Enter CupertinoActionSheet. CupertinoActionSheet is an iOS-themed widget implementing the ActionSheet design spec, which has a list of actions that slides in from the bottom. The Actions property represents the list of things that you want the user to choose from. These are given as CupertinoActionSheet actions, and they look a whole lot like buttons. Just like a button, a CupertinoActionSheet action takes a child widget, usually the button's text, and an on-pressed callback which specifies what to do when the action is selected. You can also set the isDefaultAction and isDestructiveAction options, which will style it bold or red respectively. CupertinoActionSheet will group these actions together, but what if you want to have a single option separate from all the others, like a cancel button? For that, use the Cancel button option, which will put a single CupertinoActionSheet action at the bottom of the sheet. Now we have our list of buttons together, but it's a good idea to tell the user what this is all about. For that, use the Title and Message properties. Finally, we need to show the action sheet. For that, call showCupertinoModalPopup, passing the current build context in a function that builds our action sheet. And there we have it, a list of actions that slide in from the bottom in iOS style. But we're not quite done yet. How do we know which action a user selected? The showCupertinoModalPopup function works by pushing a new route onto the navigator. And so, given the context, we can just pop, passing back an identifier for that action. Back in our main app, we can simply await the result and do the right thing with it. For more info on CupertinoActionSheet and all the other widgets, head on over to flutter.dev.